Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a very popular app. So in this app you can earn huge dollars and 50 million people use it, so you don't have to worry about anything. So let's just take it there. Okay, the app name is Bigo Video, formerly Hipster. So as you can see, 50 million downloads, 4.3 reviews, video playlist similar. So create videos to get paid and capture live moments, post consistent creative content for you followers, earn flame, get rewarded for your original engaging content, cash out, redeem your flame for cash through PayPal, get hyped, discover trends and make friends all around the world, mix awesome effects, create incredible videos, turn up DJ your videos with the latest music. So it's so easy, isn't it? You just have to capture all the videos, capture all the moments and add some latest music, and you will get the flame, and then you'll get the money, and all the money will directly go to your PayPal account. So you can see the reviews are here, useful funny videos, and also you can see that some people also write it's so boring, it's like not about music. So some people like cool features, fantastic app, cool features, interesting editing features, cool appearance. So as you can see, there are good and bad reviews are here. You can also see 4.3 is pretty awesome for Play Store. So you don't have to waste your time. All you have to do is just capture your amazing moment and just post it there, and you will get the money, and the money will get through your PayPal account. That's all. Thank you.